Hello, VideoPlusPrint. My name is Dennis Gartzilos from Victorinox Swiss Army. How you guys doing? I'm here to talk a little bit about the video brochures that we purchased from you last year. These brochures have helped us with engagement, and we're looking for like a specific way to help increase our presence with our customers and prospect kits and overall like meetings, and just show like the capabilities of what we can do for Swiss Army and what we can do through VideoPlusPrint, because you guys have become a great partner with us, because you guys also gave us the opportunity to bring the videos to the customers, which is something we're looking for. We definitely love these brochures. They're durable, they're handmade, they're so like colorful. The colors are very vibrant and also help with just overall presentation. People love these and they placed orders again and again just because they love the overall factors of just being able to see what we can do and just highlight everything in one stop shop with all the price listing here and all the price listing there, and just helped us out a lot. I think we're definitely gonna order it again from your company because we also love dealing with you guys. Thank you, appreciate it. And we also appreciate the opportunity of doing this video, and hopefully we can talk soon about more orders, and I definitely want to purchase them again. Thank you guys, and I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon and talk to you guys later.